got a drone. So let's open it.
We gotta let the music play, 'cause life is still a mystery.
This, my friend, is all the stuff that came inside the kit. So you've got some cords, some extra batteries, some more cords, some extra flight propellers, the actual drone in its case, a bigger carrying case, these propeller guards, and the remote. So I recently bought a drone, and when I first got it I put it together, but it's been about a month since then, and since I'm located kind of in central London, there's not very many places to fly it. So today I'm going out to Richmond Park Flying Field, and I'm gonna go fly it there. So here we go. So I'm just gonna show you guys exactly what I packed. I have my remote controller. The drone is in this little box here. I have the propeller guards in here that stops it, I guess, from ruining the propellers if you run into something. I have a couple of extra batteries in there and my filters in there. And then I have a phone charger just in case I need to charge my phone or the remote controller in the front of this. And that's about it. That's all I'm gonna take, plus my vlogging camera to show you guys the flight. Let's go. Okay guys, so I just took an Uber to the Richmond Flying Field Park, or the Richmond Park Flying Field. And I'm here now. There's nobody really here. I mean, it's quite a popular park. I mean, there's a lot of people like working out and driving cars and doing cycling, but I don't see anybody else flying any drones around. So I'm hoping I'm in the right place. It's not super marked. There's no signs or anything really, but I've looked at a bunch of footage of drones being flown here before, so I do kind of know that this is the right place, but it's basically just a lot of empty fields, so I'm going to show you guys. Just empty fields. There's like one major road that kind of goes along here, but the rest is just empty fields kind of all around, with a few trees. So now I'm gonna set up the drone. Got my pack here.
You don't have to mention, you just like their attention. It's written all over your face.
So I'm just putting on the propeller guards in case I like run into something. Hopefully it will save the drone. Honestly, like I was kind of worried coming here because I came here by myself and I was worried that it was gonna be this like super secluded, like strange area park, but it's actually super busy here. I mean, there's no one else flying drones, like I said, but there's people walking around, cars, motorcycles. It's also the middle of the day, so I feel like 100% safe here, being a girl out here by myself, which is always good to know. because that was one thing that I couldn't get a feel of when I watched the videos online about this place was, does it feel safe? I mean, this is just my personal opinion. I think most of the royal parks or whatever are pretty safe, generally speaking. But yeah, it feels fine here. Okay, so I've turned on the drone and I've put on all the propeller guards. The battery is full. Everything is ready to go. So I didn't actually bring something to have it take off on. You're supposed to have like a plain field. So I'm kind of just looking around. I might just take it off in the grass, but the grass is like a little bit tall. So I think you're supposed to kind of have something that's like flat. So I might try and use my bag, maybe the top of my bag. Give it a go. Maybe that'll work. We'll see. I think that might work. Okay, so let's try and get connected here. Go fly, and it basically goes ahead. Gimbal motor overloaded. What does that mean? I'm literally here
fix the gimbal overload.
Watching YouTube videos because I opened up the drone and started to try and fly it, and it gave me this message that the gimbal motor is overloaded. So I didn't know what that means, so I'm literally looking it up on YouTube and watching this guy. So hopefully I can fix that.
On the DJI Mavic Air. So I really don't know what caused that problem because
Okay, so basically I forgot to take the lens cover off of the camera, and that was it. So let's try and get flying. Take off.
You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Real things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can.
What's supposed to be happening? Sorry, there's like a ton of deer here. They're crazy, just like following this big deer. Hopefully they don't come running up after me. But anyway, somehow I already went through all of the batteries that I had, which totally sucks because yeah, I only got 30 minutes of flight time and went through 3 batteries. So they're supposed to last 18 to 20 minutes each, but they definitely did not last that long. So yeah, I'm going home, but it was good. I kind of sort of got some idea about flying the drone. It's a lot more difficult than I expected it to be, but it's fun, and I think it's just gonna take a bit more practice. So yeah, thanks for coming with me, and check out my other videos. And if you guys have any comments or questions, just comment below and I'll try and answer everything. Bye!